week in, week out. You bet nasi biya. You bobo Ghana Premier League biya na referees I take his center stage. To be honest with you, me I'm a brother who say. On say naturally be new be am a pair referees asemka. Eya na me per se ye can game na kasa ho asem. But I say eya you too much. You bobo Ghana Premier League weekend biya na referees I take his center stage. Wagu.
Asamo.
Say league ni betima akoswa. Obia play key part. Referees no so ye part. Referees no. Omo ye part. See league ni betima akoswa. Because entimi mba say ye league no. Obi e call venue bi. Obi call stadium bi a. 10 bia no. Na wo check league ne ball na ye kwa na kwaku. Referees why you say teams need complaining and yes say e kwa ma team ba ko I say team bia so fast from Saudi no and we heard videos about bonte na we Saudi na it seems say referees na I say ye bo apayo say o ma shedo say maybe say mra ne so no munim ana say ye hu dia obi entimi hu enura yabo weekend yabo game wi hwede ye koso wo wanchi na hwede ye koso e wo sama boy born ankasa teams ne boy no bi anka ho asem eye referees ne ye kom ho asem nyamya ya adom ama referees ne hypocrisy kan hypocrisy na Ghana Football Association bi aka ho enti referees no mo problem ne ye dey me pese me hu kwaku because it seems as a complaints ne ya you too much say we na ebo fia we na ekwa we o complaini sa ana enye so obeka say ekodi amatim ba akopo henu ade ekọ so sama boy say obi enu obetima aka chem say sa ball na pitami dudie no wanje penalty ama Kotoko minima de kuntia sa ball minima de kuntia wanje penalty ama pitami do because mintia say excuse o de man say player no nine carbon na nine carbon na fa obi eje dey so kwaku eya you too much me dey referees no it's about time I was say nyoma bi omoye no munjai na ma ye league ne nyefe I was so mujai because they say clubs no enkofo investment na kwaku omo invest wo football mu no obi wo ho a na dwuma o ya na football enti say obebo ne homodin this ka be rua football nim na referee bi ba be take decision bi e be ha na de kwaku ebu ni pa bem and eya do also too much and the reason why kwaku ye referees na nkasa dodo na no international level ye hu because decisions ne ya decisions o mu take no enye so mu dem unse ohwe de omo ye na enye so mu di ama team ba ko se oye mistake se na se wanje we ama team we na obinya bia osuro so obeje na te so balance no se oji we ma obi na enhye da nye legitimate eye foul na se penalty bi no oji a obi de be wo so oji no balance no enti minim se ase akoye ferry akoye hu bi o se ade no mu ni mo eye akoye too much esro mo de see weekend we no ye mpese nyame ya adoma the following week waku ye ba betena ase ni ye beka referee asem e wo se sutwa esuntwa kura na Ghana football na nkoso yi because de omo ye no ebu nipa abem minim nipa dodo a say stadium na mo nko because of referees enti omu njai sa de ne ye kwaku game na nkasa e call so Sama boy no I think in as much as Asante Kotoko en we ni sa game no a fair result said the man Asante Kotoko say o call Sama boy na o kwa konya at least a point a good for Asante Kotoko bo ko no mejitum say Samartex Asante fie lusu game Spain Asante Kotoko as a football club wa Sama boy mpokra kwa she Samartex Spain enti ensen Kotoko so mbetima kwa 3 points no ba wo check venues bi Ghana ha say na alcohol na kwaku wan lusu a eye positive baby to say doma alcohol na wan lusu a eye o check baby to say Sama boy alcohol na wan lusu a eye and looking at Asante Kotoko injury situations and any omo fam ni nyina no so otimi kwa Samartex efie ekoje a single point at least eye better than Asante Kotoko when o lusu and game na me witness say na menye bia hwe ni nkoma me didi nyina no eye an improved performance or they compare or game against Young Apostles are. Bona Kotoko boy Young Apostles with you know. Now we show away game against Samartex. Now I believe na a improved performance from Asante Kotoko buku no. Adia ba kwa many Jane say. Obi ti say Baba ya haya. Okay Kotoko any Young Apostles or free bench by no. Obebobo. Enra game no. Baba ya haya. Ebo pa. So at the time our coach Karim Zitompo kra uniform no. Na Kotoko supporters are no more stadium kra na omo yes on the ne kra ye game no. And adia ba kwa me notice ni ye say na Hubert Jewu aye down wo game we mu minima de kuntia. Un say player de enye de bia na abenya odi. By currently un pe player ba kwa so onyane day na ne performance so sra ebo Asante Kotoko pa no eye Hubert Jewu because of say goals or sa e kan game no. And as a midfielder or call the final third bia na onim say opposite threat. By no game against Samartex na Hubert Jewu ye down. Maybe say bibi na ha no say prebi kakra bi hye no ho dia bono na nka me expect say obenya day na timi aspake Asante Kotoko team no man say da enhu Hubert Jewu sa e wo sa game nim de toso Hilary Adabo Asante Kotoko kofa ni free Samartex entenu na opese oye bibi o impress but it seems say Samartex won so nim na no aduru enti wentimi amboss mfimfin o te say de enim eye Hilary Adabo say obeboss mfimfin o hwe ni game against House of Oka how I know see cut tackles or running energy level no na on Samartex na or try so be sad by Samartex for sunim de Hilary Adabo ebetima ye so make sure say on be neutralizing the kakra so you know based on the Asante Kotoko here against Young Apostles any the say who here against Samartex no the only problem here say again Asante Kotoko en say that enim ho no obi obetimi de ball na to atene because I say don't know kwakwade ba kwa ma notice ni say I say entiase nyamba between ono na Asante Kotoko players no and yes oye bad to that extent by ontimi adapt ye and understanding between ono and Kotoko players then she dan by unse ade am notice ni say sa don't know yes type a op 1-2 play no run na sa de ahye ho ama no enti say possible on the mount now slow kakra bi no run a na wa say ne ball no so I think say with time obetimi adapt to the play of Asante Kotoko then Asante Kotoko players nso beti onu donzo no so ase na then Asante Kotoko kwa Poku timi regain any form na Kotoko nya strike bi bisa be kan anymore for 19 say Kotoko nioma be koye dia mom and again me say kebiem kwaku enra the same thing ani e kan about tableau tackles no enra say si bebre this also mo work on but you know apart from referees ni nyoma no ye no me do to me referees ni decisions bebre wo anko yi a lot of 50-50 balls ogiti Asante Kotoko which nan can say basa and already when say going into the game na Asante Kotoko for raise concern about the referee because some matches be obe officiate bia na ya na decisions ni bebre ho koti omo ba me mpese me ne change na referee ni na Asante Kotoko e boss a draw no by referee no enu an decision ne performance ne kwaku anso ani ebi koti Kotoko ebi ti Samartex wambasa oba be sisi Asante Kotoko wambasa oba be didi Samartex by the decisions no majority of them ankoye for both clubs so you know Asante Kotoko say oko samabo akwakonya a point ne de na mehwe omo general performance na I think say a year than say nanka kwaku Asante Kotoko
right.
we are obako lusu
okay, that's fine, that's very very fine. Biggie
Kwaku,
let's look at the Kotoko game. You are near Baha to focus so there.
Kwaku, Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne Samartex there. On any day, honestly speaking, especially the game in Baswood and St. Chase Sports Arena, it is a difficult game for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, to be honest. Ghana Premier League, it's a what follow and no one will say the name of Team BA Bofia or share some sort of strength, especially playing against the big clubs, because I can say for now only mobile. Na oyiro ho na obona oboni ya obi anso so behu aside eno so what me for maximum points e wo fear e bia Ghana Premier League ne je ni mponya o target but eno no dan chen a e betimi aboa ma wanya enough points e betimi do stay in the Premier League na watimi compete the following season it in at least so want me league mpo that Premier League status of person achieving enko no also making sure so be man any idea wo fie na wafa every form of results. We shouldn't forget that this season, one of the teams are almost few of my day, they are traveling teams pa Samartex Boboko ne count. a difficult to be because Sama boy. No, Samartex Boboko. No. Aside that, they have a very strong side. And now I heard the performance of Kofi Agbesima, Ebenezer Akwa. These two central defenders were very strong and resilient. Kumasi Asante Kotoko any more there are a bit of problems, honestly speaking. Donzo enyam peke that kind of form. Nima na say yet say Okita no this year kind of and he say she has such a team. Our defense is strong. A lot of experience. And so Ghana Premier League now attacking machinery a bit shakier. Ubenya problems when it gets to the final third. Aside the midfield, Emmanuel Mama, Kwaku Usu, these are strong midfielders. They are very combative. Kwaku, Omani a ding won fin on them. And yet is in farm. I say, Oba we need a lot of balls. A won fin on our control game. They said the whole panel. And so it's the presence of these players made it difficult for the Kumasi Asante Kotoko midfield to take total control. Said the young in certain games, the Kumasi Asante Kotoko team a dominating play on them. No more detecting the pace of the game. I've said earlier, say, come on in a ninja day, grandpa couldn't you? It's definitely no mobile day at the Amakumasi Asante Kotoko. But me say the highlight of the game was the penalty save from goalkeeper Kamara. Last minute. At that time, I'll go penalty in the bar, Almost everybody thought say Samartex are winning game every because it was at the dying numbers and Sabre and Sabon go to Moa. So Benya Brempo now the can be a problem. And so at the amount, he made sure that he was going to be at the party. No by that save. And so the Abua Kumasi Asante Kotoko Kona. And I feel say that penalty save from Mohamed Kamara and on a Buama Kumasi Asante Kotoko point bako and the free Samartex and so at the buyer. And your results are make us a Kotoko faithful never expected. Omani beje home because Kumasi Asante Kotoko in the last 4 matches, our Ghana Premier League, some kind year pa na kwa draw me and some win bako. Clearly, many sure support to be any budget, but looking at the grounds and the quality of the opponent and how good they have been this season, and since some Ghana Premier League, may sure say half a loaf would be way better than no bread. This time around for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. In the next game, I'm going to against Baseke Holy Stars. And I'm going to see more about to Tony. So I'm going to 3 points. And you're free on the back.
Well, Mr. Say, now it's here Karim Z2 right after the game was Kotoko be here striker, be here right back, be here defensive midfielder, be here number 10. In the I know a man still no young train this kind of results.
So say coach ka say obehia striker eto assume because abetamwa eko definitely Kotoko obehia striker obi anim. By right back on na minim dey say okase January Kotoko obehia right back. It means say then Emmanuel Kotemu nyamba yo.
Yeah, be omunyamba. Lord Amwa deputy so same say run or here ni surgery.
What you say? So it means say now say
aka Lord nko.
So if maybe say anka based on the okano say e ade say anka omo ben say omo be fit pa na anka Kotoko coach mbeka so be here right back because it's omo be 3 ana mienu epra ana aka Lord nimpokwa. Let's not forget say free injury na ba
exactly
until what's our try cry now say manage no
very well.
So it means based on the coach kind which I say 2 right backs so munya fully fit na munya mba na chese omo recovery rate date nimpokwa na
kwame mpacho minim say pre-season when they had issues na Hamzata boho Hamzata ni situation is o maton no man na so o ma yehu situation ne
about one say
in the first place
you say
big you Hamzata
yes they no okoye trials for Sweden.
The situation at least the supporters deserve to know what is happening.
Even Pokrana say Hamzata Mpokra or home Pokrana Kotoko Nanko ombe he will be a specialist was our rule.
Oh, very well. Now make us say for the immediate term, he said the BR coach he say I can't Lord way. I am sure say for until say January ni be draw Kotoko benya kwenya be sign for front. If that guy was around, he would probably have been solving that problem for the coach. And maybe say the situation, Yet it's about Kotoko. He started playing well, playing the right back, scoring goals. Then all of a sudden, all contrast ENTB.
No, so many baby any goals touch corner ball right back.
Exactly. Until they should let us know what exactly is happening to the guy. But Kwame Yanko Wenchi.
Pegu. Saturday make I say mutual say. Last season has to focus young apostles home and away Edgy 6 points for young apostles. So. By this young apostle size, a side near different from the Ihun last season. This season, young apostles team near better than the Ihun last season. So, how say ko wenchino, omon konko fanefu the first thing. By kweku, ya bought 11 games so far. Our Ghana Premier League, ya kotoko na wo game bako. Just will be about 11-11. Unim team awabo draw kesi pa Ghana Premier League no. Has.
Yes,
wabo draw on 6. The entire clubs are teams or more Ghana Premier League no. The wabo draw kesi pa has wabo draw on 6. And so we team na untimi nse goals by Edin so be so the ball beto atinema. Obo matcha the likely results are tie benya na draw. Because untimi nse. Ana also so no Edin so be besha so time bia no obo ba mostly ebeye draw. Enti enyame nwa say based on 11 games ayabo Ghana Premier League in the wabo draw kese pa has 6. And kwaku teams are has no mabo draw. Wabo draw against Ho United e wo fie. Wa draw against Bechemu away. Wa draw against Heart of Lions wo fie. Wa draw against Gold Stars e wo fie. Wa draw against Wedro All Blacks wa away. Wa draw against Young Apostles e wa away. And yenye simple calculation bio. Sa 6 games are has to focus about draw no kwekwe how many points?
18.
18.
Yeah.
Out of sa 18 wa pick how many points?
6.
What to say na egu? 12.
Serious. Say 6 over 18.
Shadi oyo.
Okay.
Edwana starts in the leading table no or 23 points. House of Folk 18. The points difference between Edwana starts and has say. Anya 5.
Yeah.
Draw 6 ne nkwa House of Folk abon what to say na egu anya 12. Enti imagine sanka owinia. Men come at so well so. Me the draw ne kra na AS calculation di amawo. Say 6 draws na House of Folk abon. Emma 18 points. 18 points no wa pick mu 6 out of it. What to 12 egu. And Edwana Stars are only the table ni say no. Edwana Stars say lead House of Folk 5 points. Enti sa draw 12 ni mpokra wa 2 egu no sanka ade say owinia. Anka House of Folk da hemfa. And come da soro because u peli gajia u main competitor only ni compete back with Heart of Lions yentena fie ne mbodro so when you abrese u peli gajia u competitors anu omo compete o league nim no mentena ho mo befa points e wo fie babia no Gold Stars e compete for Ghana Premier League wako pick point e wo has fie Heart of Lions akopeke point e wo has of fie. No disrespect to Ho United. But also when you bring up Peli Gajia, you ain't never Ho in Bodro. Se o Peli Gajia, your venues be aware what's all pick points no do na. Because any is so bet my competitive fee akwa pick points no. And wako 11 wako fee. What Young Apostles fee wako Bodro. Swedro All Blacks wako Bodro. Sa 2 games nimboka at least lanka also munya 4 points. And Bobo season we na kwaku. House of Folk en lusu matches bebro by draw ne bedoso. And them omuntimi ngi league no.
Yeah, some well anyway.
The Bobo league na we no. Ubon say House of Folk yanse ni goals bebre. When lusu match bebre. Ba kwa check draw na. Wabo draw bebre into wa drop a lot of points. Now affecting House of Folk because
draw no cra goalless.
So ontimi nse. So kwaku say born e simple ontimi nse. And I was also adding see a better until we matches the majority of them be a draw. So if House of Folk person will compete here, then I was say almost as some best match goals. And yes, I do more better.
Come him that's it. We need book big impact to Adaroma.
House of Folk problem Atata had to Folk for the past 2 seasons. This season can one 3rd season near. And one idea you did home come away. So what is the solution? Coach Didi Dramani, team now Babe Fire. They had to Folk defense, they had to Folk goalkeeping department, they had to Folk midfield defensively, creativity now at the point, and I had to Folk what problem kaka, which I feel is still a problem kaka. But from the goalkeeping department, the defense to the defensive midfield and central midfield area, had to Folk and neck out. And it's a team near solid, no one concede goals. It is not as a result of Didi Dramani in Sano and a team named concede goals there be. Name the biggest problem and if you have to folk bobo kono. Onyan se sa problem no unsolve sa problem no. Until we say ko didi dramani ani ko ho. Kwaku number 2. Say empay bebre team bodra. The supporters tend to be okay. But draw no but what kwaku a problem o.
Yeah, so
you know why? How to focus 6 matches now kwa make us on my draw no. Point saying when you film 6. And you saying you 18. At the said you about 6 matches, no we need to lose 4. At the said you about 6 matches. Now we need 2, now we lose 4. Because 6 points and when you free draw 6 in him. But the supporters are going to think say, oh, you're normal, say you lose here. Lose here. But points now who to go no. At the said you we need 2 matches every 6 in him. No lose Marco 4. And to imagine, say how to folk from these points. Say how to folk to me we need to train and go draw 1 mpa. By this time can league na him fan how to folk that. To coach any man attention and go problem so because problem no and young solve how to folk problem for the past 3 seasons. Say this season can one. Hey your goal scoring and society. How to folk goalkeeping department, the defensive unit, defensive midfield and central midfield area. Born now bono. And from last 3 seasons now who's almost boss maybe a problem ni jina yanim go go neche. Until the end of the drama ni here. No they are solve go neche no.
Me that say maybe call and name in your money does